How to unlink email from Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I will show you how you can unlink your email address from your Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unlink our email address from Facebook, you have to open up the Facebook application, and then over here, after you open the Facebook application, you have to basically go to the menu page from the top right, scroll down and choose the option called settings and privacy, and then you want to go to settings. On settings, you want to go to personal information, and personal information you want to go to contact information. And over here you can see my current email address. If you want to unlink this email address, you have to basically add a new email address that you want to use. So you have to go ahead and then simply enter the new email that we are going to use in this case. Once we enter the new email address, we're going to verify with our password. So I'll just go ahead and enter my password as well. Now after you enter your email address, you just need to tap on the add email address button. It may or may not send a verification code. Now what you need to do is we have to verify the new email address that we want to use. So we'll just choose the option called confirm at the very top, and it will send a confirmation code to our new email address. So we will go ahead and then log into that new email address over here. So just try to refresh it a couple of times until you see the email address that has been sent from Facebook. So as you can see, you have new email address added up over here, and it may ask us for the verification code. You just want to copy this code right over here. You have to look for in the mail body, and then go ahead and then simply confirm your new email address. Now keep in mind that we do not need to verify our old email address. Now once we've confirmed our new email address, basically what we will do is we'll basically come ahead and then refresh it. Once we refresh it, if it says code is invalid, try to look for some other codes, but I'm sure the code has already been verified. Now try to refresh the Facebook application as well, and then relaunch the Facebook application. Now once you relaunch it, go ahead and follow the similar instructions as we did earlier, settings, and then personal information and contact info. Now our new email address has been verified. Now what we will do is now we can remove our old email address by tapping on it. It is currently our primary email address. In order to remove the old, we have to make our new email address our primary email address. Once we make our new email address our primary email address, we would have the option to go ahead and then remove our old email address over here. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then change your email address on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.